Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class, I am going to explain new chapter decimals. Definition of the decimals. Fractions with denominators 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or lakh. This type of denominators having to the fractions. Then those fractions are called decimal fractions. Here decimal fractions can be written as example 3 by 10, 33 by 100, 227 by 1000. This type of fractions are called decimal fractions. Now these decimal fractions also can be written as 0.3 by 10, 0.3 by 100, 0.33 by 1000, 0.227. Here what we can understand here, by 10 means before one digit decimal, by 100 before two digits, from right to left count from right onwards, before two digits decimal, by 1000 before three digits decimal. So such a way we can write decimal fractions. Now dot is the symbol of decimal point, so that is why we are using decimal as dot. Decimal point, this dot is called decimal point. Now once again, by 10 before one digit decimal, by 100 before two digits decimal will come. Here by 1000 to any number before three digits decimal comes. We should count from right onwards, count from right to left. Now right onwards count 1 2 3. So before three digits decimal by 1000, before two digits decimal by 100. Like that we can write the decimal fractions as decimal numbers. Now if we go through place value chart, we know place value charts for our large numbers we have written. In number system we have written place value chart. In place value charts, we in number system two types: international place value chart and Indian place value chart. Here for decimal numbers also there are place value chart. There is a place value chart. What is the place value chart? See, look at here. Decimal point comes here, and right side to the decimal point, this is decimal point, right side to the decimal point, tenth place means 1 by 10 place, hundredth place means 1 by 100 place, thousandth place means 1 by 1000 place. Similarly go on, 10,000th place means 1 by 10,000. Such a way we can continuously you can write. Now decimal point left or whole, these are called whole numbers. You know whole numbers, decimal point, place value chart of whole numbers, you know, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place. Similarly we learn in first chapter. So yeah, previous classes we studied now. So these are whole numbers. Whole numbers, you know, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place. But decimals are different. After whole numbers, this part is called whole number part. After decimal we can say decimal part. Decimal parts we can write as tenth place. First decimal is called, see, decimal after you can say first decimal. First decimal place is called tenth place, so that means 1 by tens place. Hundredth place means 1 by 100 place. Thousandth place means 1 by 1000 place. 10,000th place means 1 by 10,000 place. Like that we can write this place value chart. Now if you take one number, example, if you take one number 12,000, see, sorry, 1,235, 1,235.456. Here after decimal don't say together, should say single digit. After decimal any time pronounce as single digit. So 456. See here, see, 1,235.456. How to write in decimal place value chart? See here, decimal place value chart. How to write decimal? Here first decimal write in a tenth place. Second decimal is write in a hundredth place. Third decimal write in a thousandth place. And here whole numbers, you know, as usually we use previous classes like that. Ones place 5, tens place 3, then hundreds place 2, thousandth place 1. If there, you can write continuously. But decimal onwards, it is different to previous what you learn. So here, first decimal you write as 1/10th place, means 1 by 10th place. Second decimal you write in 100th place, that means 1 by 100th place. Third decimal you can write as 1000th place, means 1 by 1000 place here. Such a way we can write in decimal numbers. Decimal numbers we can write in a place value chart. Now we also can learn how to expand. Expand means how this value comes. By expanding we can understand. See, this is in a thousandths place. How you know this one is in thousands place? So that is 1000. And this is in a hundreds place. Why 2 is in hundreds place? Now this is in tens place. So 30, its value is 30. How you know this is in tens place? And 5 is in ones place, so its value 5. 1235. 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. Thousands place. Why 1 is in thousands place? 1 into thousand. Thousands. This value is 1000. 2 is in hundreds place. 2 into 100. So its value is 200. 3 is in tens place. Its value is 3 times 30. 5 is in ones place. Its value is 5. Here similarly decimals now. 4 is in 10th place. So its value is 4 by 10. So 1 by 100, 10th place is nothing but 1 by 100, 1 by 10 place. 10th place is nothing but 1 by 10th place. So 4 is in 1 by 10th place. Its value is 4 by 10. 4 into 1 by 10. Its value becomes 4 by 10. Now here 5 is in 100th place. Means 1 by 100th place. 100th place 5 into 1 by 100. So 5 by 100. So 6 is in 1000th place. So 6 into 1 by 1000. So 6 by 1000. So first decimal by 10, second decimal by 100, third decimal by 1000, fourth decimal by 10,000. Similarly, you can write continuously. But all numbers you know, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Depending on the place value, the number also get the value. Ones place, 1 is in thousands place, it becomes 1000. 2 is in hundreds place, it becomes 200. 3 is in tens place, it becomes 30. 5 is in ones place, it becomes 5. 4 is in 10th place, it becomes 4 by 10. So 5 is in 100th place, so it becomes 5 by 100. 6 is in 1000th place, so it value becomes 6 by 1000. So this is the expand form of given decimal number. Now we are going to write decimals. Write the fractions into decimals. Write the fractions into decimals. See, you should learn here. 3 by 10. Just now I told before one digit. So 0.3 decimal value. 56 by 10. So before one digit. By 10 means before one digit. From right onwards you have to count before one digit. 5.6. 34 by 10. Before one digit. From right you count before one digit. So 3.5 decimal. Now 56 by 100. So before 2 digits, here by 100 means before 2 digits decimal should come. So 0.56. So after decimal don't count, don't say as together, should say single digit. So 0.56, don't say 56, 56, like that you have to pronounce. Now by 1000, before 3 digits from right to left. Count from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Before 3 is decimal. Yeah, before 3 is decimal comes by 1000. So that means what is the value? 0.125. Now by 10. Before 1 digit only decimal. That means 12.5. Now by 100. What is the decimal? Before 2 digits point. Means 1.25. Now here see. By 5 by 10. So before 1 digit. This is answer 0.5. So before one digit means 0.5. By 5 by 100. Here 2 digits, but only one digit there, no. But you should write 2 digits. Another digit also you have to include 0. So 5 and 0 before that. 2 digits you have to count. 5 only there. 1 digit there. Only 1 digit there. You have to count one more digit. Not there means 0. So then before 2 digits means here 0 also include here. And then put point here. 2 digits you should get here. But only 1 digit there, so I want 2 digits now, so that is why 0 also include here before 2 digits. So by 100 before 2 digits decimal. Now here before 2 digits 0.75. You write please this and send to me. And here before 3 digits, what is the answer here? 0.075. 0.075 before 3 digits no decimal. By 10, so 18.7. And by 100 2.56. And by 1000 0.392 before 2 digits, before 3 digits, by 1000 before 3 digits, so 0.392. Such a way we can write answers and send to me. Next, here decimals change into fractions. Here similarly, before 2 digits point means by 100 fraction. Before 2 digits point, take out the decimal, by 100 you write. Before 1 digit point, take out the decimal, by 10 you write. Before 2 digits the point, take out the decimal, by 100. And before 2 digits point, take out the decimal, by 100. Before 2 digits point, take out decimal, by 100. Before 3 digits point is before 3 digits, so take out the decimal, by 1000. 3 by 1000, so before 3 digits point. So now we can write decimal to fraction such a way. Now here decimal, how to write this? Here 156 by 100. 156 by 100, take out the decimal, by 100. Before 2 digits now, by 100. Before 1 digit this number without decimal, and by 10. Take out the decimal and by 10. And remove the decimal this and write 24 525 by 100. 25 230 by 1000. Before there is no point, by 1000. Such a way we can write decimals to fractions. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.